Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in a Canon Pixma MG5550. Now, this is nice and simple. It can be done for the printer itself using the control panel, and there's no need to have an attached PC or laptop for this process. So what we're going to do is just lift up the front of the printer, which you do by taking this control panel, just lifting it like that, slides back and holds itself in position. Now, as you can see, the printer's detected this and it's moved the ink cartridge cradle into the position where we can change cartridges. You can see flashing lights here for cartridges that need attention. The printer actually thinks cyan one's completely run out, so I'm going to take a look at that one. But you can see there's a slow flash on the magenta one as well, because that one's running low. So to get a cartridge out, take a hand to the front here and you see there's like a little clip there. We press in, it should come free. See the lights turned off also. Take the cartridge out the printer. On these compatibles, you can actually see how much ink's physically in the cartridge here. So we can take that one out and get your replacement cartridge. I'm just going to pop the same one back in. But if this is a new cartridge, make sure you've first of all taken any pull tabs that might be on the top of the cartridge, because that will break a vacuum within, and you can find ink drips out the bottom once you've taken any clips off the bottom if you don't take that pull tab off first. So that's worthwhile keeping in mind with most cartridges on the market. And to get it back in, we pretty much just do the reverse. Put it in at a slight angle, slide it back till it resists, then you press it down, the light comes on once it's back in position. Then you just repeat the process for any other cartridges that need replacing, and we just slide the control panel back into place again. It'll start looking at the cartridges, and assuming it's happy with everything, just return you to the main screen there. If it struggles to recognize any cartridges, you might get some warnings. But this range of printers will always be pretty transparent if it's got any issues with what you've installed. And that's about all there is to see. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know in a comment. If you found this video useful, please do let me know with a like. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.